Alright. Flip around the camera now, I'm gonna see the views and everything. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know your boy Dex Media. I don't know, so we're there outside, you know, man. We're there outside. Yeah. I big up everybody who is subscribed to the channel, especially the last video we posted here. Yeah, hope be one day it's going good. And big up to my returning subscriber them. Yeah man, manners. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Hey guys, so we're here in beautiful Portland. Yes, parish in but in tell me can I next parish. Yes. Yeah man. I'm gonna take you on a tour. I'm gonna see what I'm going here in Folly. Yeah, it's all over here Folly. As you can see what I'm going for the river. And a real river is still enough people. It's a sea. Yeah, but this is a little backup part. It's at the seaside. But the water splash over and put one little trench thing right here. So see as you can see. Yeah man. Very, very beautiful people. So beautiful. Yeah man. Beautiful Portland. Over there so you have the Folly Lighthouse. Yeah man, the Folly Lighthouse. Yeah. Yeah, this water is so nice. I'm gonna just splash up some of this water and see what's going on. Yeah guys, we're at the Folly. Come on, place nice. See what I'm going. I'm on a mad thing. See that? Water nice. Oh, yeah. Water nice man, but it's sea water this, that's what I can see, and it's not river water. Come on, sea water. Hey guys, continuing the tour, I'm gonna see what I'm going. So as I'm telling you, say it's a sea. See it there? Seaside. Over there so you have the bridge. so beautiful, yo. Just wanna see what going for that place. Very, very nice. Portland, Jamaica. Beautiful Portland people. Can't take one right, that's the first thing, you know. Okay, so they up on the bridge here now. As you can see where we're going. See, they have a beautiful baby mother right there, so. Watch that. I'm gonna drop that. Yeah. You see how this place is beautiful, people. Very, very nice. Folly. Ground of Folly. Portland. Yeah, and here's through the next media show now I'm going. Beautiful Portland. You have a female right there, so we did the interview earlier. Yeah. Right, do you want to take yeah, but the home show there, yeah. Oh yeah, home season, private season. Yeah, I'm gonna do that to man so you can call me when the baby born. Walk round from the side. Yeah, people, so we got the river part, that's how I'm going to show you. But on the river, I with a little water place to like. So I'm gonna stick around for that. See what I'm going to do a shoot over there. You walk around the place? Come in, you're good.